Ciao, good morning from Tartu, this year European Capital of Culture. I'm here to document the 15th edition of Stencibility, the wildest street art festival out there. Since 2010, Stencibility has been celebrating the raw and unfiltered creativity of artists from all around the globe. This festival is unique for its commitment to spontaneity and creative freedom, giving the artists the chance to create without constraints. So come with me behind the scene of Stencibility as we uncover and explore the street art scene here in Tartu. Here she's coming! I'm having a croissant meanwhile, but she's here and we need to start.
Hello everyone.
As a festival organizer, I can't invite all the artists to Tartu and say do whatever you want. It's we support illegal street art, you can do what you want. But I really want to say that to them. So I have combined with this in the festival frameworks when it's supported by the city council and so on. I still want to create a possibility for the artists to not follow my vision but their own. So how we do it during the festival is that when the artists arrive, we have around 30 locations they can choose from. Owners have donated their walls, so they can't have a say what's going to be painted on there. They can't control the content in any way. Festival also, we don't ask for any sketches before to approve. So it's really highly based on trust. So the city council needs to trust the festival needs to trust the artists.
How is it going?
Oh, I'm sleepy, but it's good.
I'm almost finished, you know. It's good. It's an experimental thing for me, and so it's exciting. Like everything I do for the first time.
Quello che volevo fare qui a Tartu, già che è la capitale della cultura, raccontare un po' che cos'è la cultura, anche se io sempre rappresento queste pepite d'oro, questi oggetti astratti giallo-oro, se no quando è condiviso qui nell'angolo si vede la condivisione, il momento della condivisione che è il centro dell'opera, grazie all'incontro, allo scambio, alle differenze fra tutte le persone che sono tutte eterogenee, si crea questo valore che è l'oro.
And now we go around exploring with Michelangelo. So this is Edward. This part of the city is super cute. It's called Karlova and is made of wooden houses.
Yeah, in these bigger capitals, they have, like Jaakko told, the zero tolerance against graffiti, street art, anything that's painted on the walls without the permission. So if you don't have the paperwork, they will paint it over. But in Tartu, surprisingly, it's not the case. We have a lot of street artworks that have been done illegally, but they've been here for 5 or even 10 years. If the street artists feel that they are appreciated, then they put more effort into doing the works if they know that it's not going to be painted over the next day. In that case, Tartu is different. And this why I want to show this stencil is that this is made by the mayor of Tartu himself. I helped him a bit. I prepared the stencils, but he was the one who held the spray can and pushed the buttons. The city council and the citizens in general really support the idea of street art here in Tartu and even the idea of illegal street art. So this must be the biggest illegally done stencil in Tartu. Edward and Lungus would have gone to the director of library and asked, can I do this here? Then I think the answer would have been no. Do it somewhere else. But now, if it's already here, they really appreciate it.
Ask for forgiveness and not for permission.
Yes, ask for forgiveness, not permission.
Okay, so let me show you the factory. This is the main exhibition of the festival. It's called Hide and Seek. I found the girls. Here they are. Hello. Hello. The magic all-female crew behind Stencibility Festival. How are you?
We also have Reimo. Reimo is our man. Festival is over!
We feel super relaxed and hungry because we have had no time to eat for the past few days.
But was it worth it?
Absolutely.
The exhibition's name is Hide and Seek. And we're playing hide and seek in this abandoned factory. It used to be a yeast factory and then a water treatment center and at some point also a clinic. I think it was built in 1883 and now it has been standing empty for almost 15 years. And with this exhibition series we are looking for buildings to use as exhibition spaces because street artists really love abandoned buildings, as we know. And the artists have created artworks on 3 floors and some of them are bigger, some are smaller, but the idea is that the audience can come here and explore the building and look for the artworks, so like they're playing hide and seek. Curatorial part has been also interesting because for some artists we have been like discussing more, but there are also many artists who just came here and channeled whatever they felt in this building and did like a quicker work. But in general, we try to curate as less as possible, but as much as needed, because some artists like to have like a bit of guidance or like a chat about like how to develop an idea. It's very personal.
Woo!